Morning, y'all. Today we're going to do a quick trip through Tombstone Cemetery. This is the one that's still active. They put, I think, from '84 till today. It replaced Boot Hill, so if you go to Boot Hill, you won't see any graves after 1884 or any grave markers. Anyhow, the only two names I know of that are buried here are C.S. Fly, former sheriff, former boarding house and photography studio owner, rancher, and really a photojournalist. Think about every picture you ever saw of Geronimo holding a rifle taken by Mr. Fly, plus just about every important photo in Tombstone. Interesting man. Nobody knows anything about him. They've heard of him, heard the name, know it, but they don't know anything about him. So I'm going to try to find that. The other one is, pardon me, a guy calls himself Nino Cochise. Says he's the grandson of the Cochise. There is a lot of skepticism out there. I saw one report said his name was really Robert Majors, and he was kind of a phony, an actor. But anyway, the jury's still out. But anyway, Robert Majors just might be a member of the same tribe as Ward Churchill and Elizabeth Warren and a few others. It's not a big tribe, but it's big enough. So anyhow, we'll be there and we'll find out here in a bit. I'll just give you a good look at what Tombstone Cemetery. Like I said, I never did find C.S. Fly's grave, and that's the main reason I came. But some interesting stuff here, and it's still active. That's a good part. Quail, see them? All DAR graves there. I think that's cool. Even though my family was on the other side. Next time I screwed that up, didn't you? Okay, we'll come back in here and try this again. Interesting, huh? Nino Cochise, eh? What I'll do is I'll go back and look up, find the grave again. And when I find a grape, I'll come back. Alright, let's see if we can get the hell out of here.